Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Profession that can exist without teachers, and that in itself says how important this profession is. As it relates to teaching in the middle of a pandemic, it was hard for me. I've never taught online. I don't know what this was. I have good classroom management skills face-to-face, but trying to manage a classroom virtually was a challenge. But I believe that we must understand how important it is to connect and to research. The stepping into new stores, we weren't expecting a pandemic. We don't know what hour. We didn't expect it to last this long either. And initially when school closed down, it was only for probably 2 weeks. We were expecting that, but it's far beyond what we expected.
What the hell?
To adjust and adaptation.
Tiffany!
And I believe that once we understand that the world is ever
Tiffany!
and we need to make sure that we make the necessary connections to keep afloat, that is what
Tiffany!
Doing.
What you people have sex on camera? Can zoom in on?
It is important.
But they have video.
Why?
What me say? You know from me all tell them to turn off them camera. What if people tell them to turn off them camera?
Students only. Are you looking
beyond and them need to stop it?
Families or are you looking at impacting?
Don't you see me a video it as proof?
Society.
Oh, it look like somebody tell them no. Mr. Torted.
Somehow we are making those.
Mr. Torted.
We are the leaders of the classroom. We have our kids coming.
See, they should turn up. Mr. Torted.
Yes, my people, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing going on, my viewers and subscribers, but they know. You understand? So, me not a rider now. Not my ride. I mean somebody ride, people. You get what me I say? So somebody gave me their car to drive, and I'm driving their car. You understand? So me in the car now, I will decide to talk about this thing. Yeah, man. Saying see a light or bright and face can ever show, which me feel good about that. You know what I mean? Me not hide myself from the camera, but me feel good because camera thing right now cause too much problem, people. You understand? The camera thing cause too much problem, you know. And some people seems like when them turn on the camera, them don't even remember to turn it off, especially when them dip on live or them something on the viewers and subscribers. No, sir, not that thing. Cause when me really I gonna talk about now my viewers and subscribers, it's been a while, you know. Me not cover nothing but a lead video and none of them know the thing, the people. But this is something here when me see now sent to me now my viewers and subscribers from more than 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, how much more person, my people. And everybody have the same thing to tell me about it, my viewers and subscribers. The same caption where this one sent and that the other person sent to me, my people. And me have to say, Jaja says, Jaja knows attacking boss. Because in this thing I know, my people, number one, me see something look like a zoom them the pan. Based on what me see, more than one something did they so. But when me look for one side I clip and every one of them is want to look around pine the people, it seemed like I was watching a blue movie. It seems like a porn or one of them XX site them in the pan, my people, no joke about it. Because when me look at when me see my people, high performance are gone. Eh? And when me hear one girl ball out and start talk, say somebody tell them don't know what go on. And when me hear more info and check people, now teacher them say they on Zoom meeting and they like them a set of people or them a set of teacher and they know what go on or something people. And when the facts and everything come, them say a 2 teacher too, you know. 2 teacher enough for them look up banga and go on with for them action, my people. But seem like them never remember to turn off the camera upon the laptop, the computer, whatever them depend, my people. Eh? Jaja sees and Jaja knows. And them private bedroom business and mini business with the people. But them need to be more careful. See? them need to be more careful, you know, so now go and look at action on the local businessman. Ensure nothing well set. Ensure so the laptop or any one of them so they even a point on the bed. Cause you keep boy, Jaja see, Jaja knows it. And the people them so boy, you know Jamaican go my people. Somebody going to leak it. Somebody going to leak it. See? And the person now, we have video it and even attack. I say, look here, more than to say real upon my laptop, me the Teacha. And she video her laptop and show everything in the people. So you don't know the part they got. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Why me teacher? Me not tell a lie, me understand, so no one go out with the local business card. Not because I'm not a teacher, no one go out with the thing too. You understand? My boy want to eat breakfast and lunch and dinner underneath. They can't go and go do him thing if he want. You understand? Or if he want to show a big boy and put on something around, they can't do it. See? But what me I said, you know, have to be more careful. You don't know so now big old meat now go on. I don't know, imagine say what you do, not set to the time 1 hour ahead or something, or 1 hour behind, so you don't know see at the time that when them ready, and so you hungry for the action, now you don't remember say meet the big one. That's the camera turn on. Or you did one star a movie on the camera. Maybe you did one star something, you know. Maybe you did one star something. You don't think the attacking boss a fool or something they want to start my viewers and subscribers because seem like Teacha and go viral with something. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Why my people me are telling this world some things can't go on. Some things can't go on. That's why I tell you we have to be more careful. You hear when Buju say not just phone. So Teacha, you can't just computer. You can't just laptop, you can't just tablet. Anything on the lap. If on the phone they depend Zoom, you can't just nothing. Like them there. Because what? You never careful. Or no cause upon yourself. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Why? People, you not stand there. I want you upon you do the same thing too. You know, when you sit the turn on, you need to remember if you turn here and a man come in and start kiss upon your neck. Now you just feel the vibes there. When it comes to a woman, you give one kiss in the worst if you can find a weak spot and go touch upon your ears. Oh, you reach cloud 100. You need to remember the camera turn on. Because what? Him just lick that spot there. When him start put it on pan you and sitting everything gone live. Everybody I watch the movie. Everybody I watch the show. XXXXXX. You understand? In the moment, in the time, in the action, in the zone. You get what me I say? Go in and check. That's how you go sometimes, people. See? Some woman just so easy to get that spot. Boom! And one time my boy go there now. And him find out say this at the spot there. Him know what to touch on him. Him trigger off everything. See? So them not no time to think about nothing. Say yo, such and such a go out more them depend this our camera. No sir. See? But when at the end of the day, everybody going to watch the movie. Everybody going to watch the show. And that's what happened to the Teacha now. See them? Teacha business them leak out. Everybody on social media, NEWLINK cannot see it. And you know, so the attacking boss, if him not see it, him I go say, of course I don't see it. And when the attacking boss see it, me I go talk because what? Me I make the Teacha them know, so look ya, you know be careful. See? Ensure so no camera, nothing, no point for nothing. One in the action, because it could have go worse. It could have been a picnic meet, no, you know. It could have been one of them online class, something there. But it was a teacher meeting, them say all teacher meeting on Zoom. See? Yeah, you can't see the teacher, them name the people, them write caption the name. Because Zoom's a name I got there. But I one thing I tell the people, boy, only just sees and he knows, yeah, man. Only just sees and he knows. That's why me not trust nothing. Nothing in a device, me not trust people. You understand me? If I ensure say the phone, any little thing when me got like them, ensure them off. Because me don't want nobody seeing me in action. No, sir. I don't want no one see me when I'm doing my thing. So you know what? My thing them I go off. See? Yeah. And me I go check me ear them and check me surrounding if nobody put nothing in. You know what I mean? Yeah, you have to check your surrounding, the people. No joke about it. So, you don't know me there, my people. As me tell you, say, I'm driving somebody's car. Yeah. Not my one. Enjoying it too. You understand? Me not drive hard, people. Me I take my time. Me a cruise man. When me there for 80. You understand? Cruise me a cruise man. Just a cruise my people. So, you just take care of yourself, my viewers and subscribers out there, and just do the right thing, you know. You understand? Me know a lot of people me I go DM me through Instagram for video and thing, but as me say, Them a report me Instagram. I mean I know how I do with people every time. When I give the people them the video them, somebody I report them back. You understand? Which a lot of people are trying to set up me thing them. So what me have to do is be more careful and true. Me don't know how people and me have to depend on my P's and my Q's, so me not really send video to nobody through IG again. No joke about it, because you can't trust nobody nowadays and people do anything to shake you up. Remember them lick done me IG with too much followers and the people are 2 IG them lick done for me, you know. 2 back to back. You understand? I used that one I take time I go up and low and I move for a while there, but it I go because the people them seem like them now and full of the attacking boss back by IG. So I say look, you know, man have to come some and protect themselves. You understand? But in the end of the day, we still do the work people and we still put in. So you know what? Just still in the midst of it. Big up on the sell my people, more love and more respect. You don't know the thing. Support the NEWLINK back to school thing, people. You don't know. Help the people them, help the youths them. You understand? Yeah man. More love my people. Follow me on IG, Facebook and Twitter. The whole NEWLINK works, people. Peace out, big up. This boy come close to this car. I don't know what him feel like him showing on my car. Maybe if a woman in a car, what they say, things you're smarty. You know what I mean? A jai, whatever. You know what I mean? People, that thing I go come and hit you up beside of this, you know. Like you want people see ya. That's not like jai people things, you know. Watch ya. Just see what this a go on in a kuya. Where me go?